Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the fifth problem of AtCoder beginner contest 338, which is chords. So the problem statement is quite straightforward. So we are given two endpoints located in an equal intervals in a circle from 1 to 2n. Now we will be having some edge from AI to BI, or any edge connecting two points in a circle will be called a chord. So we will be having n chords, and which will be connecting AI and BI. Now each of these values AI BIs are distinct. So we will be having two endpoints, and from these two endpoints we will be having I minus j chords. Okay, so we'll be having exactly n chords connecting I minus j, where every I and j are distinct. Now what we have to find, we have to find if any two chord is intersecting with one another, right? That's the problem. The problem is quite straightforward. Now let's take one example. Now there is an edge from 1 to 3 here, you can see, and there is an edge from 2 to 4. These two are intersecting, so our answer will be yes. Now for the second case, now there is an edge from 1 to 6, and there is an edge from 3 to 4, and there is an edge from 2 to 5. They are not intersecting, so our answer will be no. So how we can solve this problem? The problem statement is quite straightforward, and the problem is, I think, quite straightforward also. It is easier than the previous problem, I think, the fourth problem. What is our observation we can make? So one observation we can make is that, let's say we have some edges, right? So let's say we are moving in the uh, clockwise direction, right? So let's say we are at first point, okay, and we are at the second point, okay. Now we are moving in the clockwise direction. So let's say we have some edge at first point, and another edge at second point, and another edge at third point, sorry, another point at 3. Now if there is an edge from 1 to 3, if there is an edge from 1 to 3, uh, this this is possible, right? There is an edge from 1 to 3, but now any point connecting to the second point, let's say any point which is at here, anywhere, the connecting edge from 2 to that point, let's say k, will be intersecting from 1 to 3, right? That's the first observation, right? So we are moving in some direction, let's say clockwise direction, and we'll try to connect the edges, right? So let's take another example. Let's say let's draw another circle. Now let's say here is 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are at 3. Now 2 and 3 are connected, so we are making some edge from 2 to 3. Okay, now we have some edge we are at some 4 here. Now we will be connecting 1 to 4, because there is an edge from 1 to 4. Similarly, let's say there is some 5, and there is some 7, so there is an edge from 5 to 7 also. So these edges are not intersecting. So I hope you got the idea how we are doing that solving the problem. So let's say we are moving in clockwise direction, or you can say in increasing order of points, right? So we are sorting all the points, and we are moving increasing order of points, right? So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we are at some point, when we are at right index of some point, the the left index of the point should be the last item of the stack. So let's say we are iterating over the points, and we are putting every point in a stack, right? That's our idea. So let's say we have added the first point in the stack, the second point in the stack, the third point in the stack, and fourth point in the stack. Now let's say 5 is the right point of any chord. So it has to happen that 4 should be its left point. Why? Because let's say 3 is our left point of the 5, then 4, any point connecting to 4 will cause one intersection, right? So let's say 4 is connecting to 8, so 3 to 5 and 4 to 8 will cause one intersection. Okay, so that's why I am saying that we are putting every points, we are moving in right clockwise direction or increasing order of points, and we are, if some chord is the left point of one chord, if any point is left point of one chord, we'll be putting that into the stack. And if it is the right point of the chord, we'll be popping the first element of the stack. So if the first element of the stack is the left point of the chord, then we'll be popping it. And if that is not the left point of the chord, we'll be marking the intersection as true and we'll be breaking from the loop. So let's look at my code. This is fairly simple. So here we are putting that we are taking the minimum value of x and y and maximum value of x and y. So you can say that this is left and this is right. So we are putting the left 0 and right. So 0 means that this is the left point of the chord and 1 means this is the right point of the chord. Now we are sorting all the elements and we are also maintaining one stack st. Now if this is a left point, we'll be directly pushing the the index of the point in the stack. Now if it is not a left point, it is a right point, then we'll check that if stack is not empty and the top of the stack is the left point of the current chord, right? If it is yes, then we are popping the element. If not, then we are marking our flag as true. Flag will indicate that there is some intersection or not. If flag equals to 1, our answer will be yes, and otherwise our answer will be no. Okay, I hope you get it. The problem is quite straightforward, and the observation is also quite simple. I will provide the link of the code in the description box. If you have any doubt in any part of the explanation, you can always write in the comment section. I will try to reply each and every comment. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.